Next topic is what is application programming interface. Either in shortcut we call it API. What is API? So as you know, API means application programming interface. Means it's like a programming interface which connect to application, which connect to devices. An API we are using everywhere, like Amazon Web Services, Facebook, home automation, thermometer, thermostat, refrigerator, wireless light systems. All these are using APIs. They are using sensor, and those sensor is nothing but APIs. So a shortcut I would tell what is API. You know, waiter, when you go any restaurant and any hotel, so you will find a waiter. Waiter is basically just like a API. What they do, they will get your order, your request, whatever you want to eat, and they will give that request to in the kitchen. Then they will get those order which you request, and they will provide you. So it's like a middleman between two application. So between user and kitchen, this guy, this waiter is API. It get the order is normally when you go any restaurant, they will write your order that what you need. Okay, I need this, and drink what you need. They will say, okay, I need this one. Okay, then they will go and they will request those things specifically for you, and they will provide you on the table. This is called API. Same thing is do by API and network. Everywhere you will find API. Like a PayPal, when you paying, so they will connect you to the bank, your other detail. So basically PayPal get your money and put your money and your credit card, either your bank. So this is a API. Every day when you are visiting and clicking any Facebook link, any Twitter, any mobile application, any weather, all these are coming Google Maps. These are called API. Even this is also API. When you somewhere find a Facebook link, suppose if I go to my YouTube channel, and on YouTube channel I have some API which will connect you to the Facebook, my Facebook. If I go to my channel, so there is LinkedIn. So when I click this one, so it connect me to the another application. Now I'm here in LinkedIn. This is through API. When I click Facebook, it get me and get you to the my Facebook. So you use API to connect you. Weather. Every day we are checking weather. Google Map. When you go to any like a DHL and any other company, so they are using Google Map and they're putting them in their website. Like a Dobizel. I remember Dobizel is like a let me go to property. When I was in Dubai, so they have this Dobizel which is for everything, for job search and everything, and every for location search. Suppose if you go there, so they will give you a location as well. If I click on anything, let me see if they can. I don't know, it has been ages, but it was like this, so I just remember. So let me go, yeah, this location now. Do you think this is their own location? No. They use API to get this location, this house location from Google Map. So they use API to connect their website there to show you here, to take your request as a waiter, and then they give it to Google Map, and then they display you whatever you need, your house map. This is called API. If I go to weather, every day there is a weather, I don't know now, yes, there is, I deleted, I think so. Weather report. Like this one. This weather report, what do you think? It's giving me that Riyadh is 61 and this is the blah blah blah, this the everything, day today is Wednesday and this all those things. They are getting these details from somewhere else. This is called API. Now it's clear to you that what is API. It's like a middleman between two applications. Now coming to our network world, where we can use application programming interface. Okay, so in network world, API can use XML language and JSON. These are the two normal language. They can use HTML as well. There are many other languages which can be used. Even these two languages are available in our routers as well. I will show you if I remember. But in our network, we can use many API to connect to our network devices. And most widely used two languages is XML and JSON. Okay, so now we understand API, application programming interface. In next video, I will show you two most important API and how to use them, and we will do a small lab of it.